C for C.
Chairman for chairman.
Okay, Tom Onunko baby.
Uncle Pro Konya. Uncle Pro be there. And this yachiche nkonya no. Ena ono no ye dwantenani na konwa nie. Ena obi nso so ono no na konwa de amana sisi o no mpe. Ope bo chairman. Ena this massive debi. Kokoba de ba ye krobofo mo obi ani ni position mu. Na say wo say wo new position na better mamenka bibi ntro wa Asante region. As a for ye me junior wo susek. Me junior cry.
But you for we for Besrabo we back on air Fox 97.9 in the studios Bernard Odro Techi spokesperson for chairman of Swampofo. We are live on Facebook. And to be pachobe to me on Facebook CCA now also wako enjoy show the Fox FM on Facebook Fox FM on Facebook into me to be called CCA now also enjoy show no.
Nti see for see no sana che. Enye ne ma see for see no. Ye ko voter region. And a delegate to abana catch chairman say chairman said ye one corporate obi ade na wugina de wugina de ye beto a wo so. Enti ye campaign slogan ye too. Same photo kun tonton preko. Same photo.
Yes.
E kun tonton preko. Because it is chairman to aso. Baby a obe ko bia the delegate ne kan say chairman to aso. Why do you change a winning team? Look, all the two players e ko bobo. Who Messi ni C Ronaldo. C Ronaldo strike Messi central midfielder. Ma winni afa mu ko final na mu ko no C Ronaldo sorry ya o say there be striker no strike no pair no per central midfield and the team for no say there be ko strike na yen share na yen win cup no say there be NDC 2024 year dia Ghana forcing Nkrofo we MPP abon omo hu amamu ni so it is na tie dia winning team na mo de call 2020 mo maintain magic to me no Asiedu Nketia sorry o say there be strike on pair no obe defend it and then this massive derby defender na you Ofosu Ampofo ono na gina central no chiche passes no chairman of the party council of elders wink oso on penti the NDC mabeka cha no Saturday ni say obi ani ne lemu na say wa ni wo lemu na wo mane kofo obi lemu abeto afanchan Ashanti region asafoje ye mi junior and no yes okwa corporate regional communication DNC
deputy.
DNC.
Oh, okay. Asafoje lost.
So Dinilemu ko can deputy and ko solid. I love him, I like him. But I do maybe I want nyan bia ye we ne de check. And I'm saying it on this show at your phone tell me ye bibi besi memenda. Somebody will be retired in politics. Or radio good no car say three things ni bisi. Or no one call for general secretary. Either so be call chairman as or be retired. But then this in any paba deal, you don't choose what you want. The delegate will choose what you want for you. You don't choose what you want in politics. Oh.
The delegates
will choose what you want for you. And KK, let me state this on this show. Never put your popularity to contest in politics. I repeat, never ever, read my lips, put your popularity to contest in politics. You can be popular as general secretary, but unpopular for chairmanship. You can be popular for organizer, but unpopular for secretary.
Sir, General has been on the scene as General Secretary for so long a time.
Me, Senko General Secretary and can compare man. But Utocha fan show ko to you show tea.
But Bernard, I don't know what man come on here. That's here for a Fox 97.9. Enche Danny Boy I my John the Baptist me proper kwedum na enche Danny Boy betina say. But men be sabioti in same bia. Yet tia ebe hadre. But no one wa hide dem so no so atibi nti obeyi no. Benim say general say yenti oba no abafo okekan sempi and Ofosu Ampofo kwa yati aya waso de no so ye soft and ade de du ba bi so opema aso Ofosu Ampofo no ompem afa kra de nya asem no kra ye say ye leaked audio say ye intentional chese Asiedu Nketia kan sempi including someone collecting results and a copy of the chachichika tedim and chese a whole lot of things busuafo ebre mame ho kwan na minim say BOT edibidi gina and chese Ofosu Ampofo do baby no and a junior say can director of IT okochusu Griffith and a Griffith so cry chese ba wumia nipa sanse bidi gina what BOT what be na what do ye and say what ye na etebo say
KK when the gods want to kill you, they first make you mad. Saboson 4% kunwa if
na BOT ya no the text to be by 0244 510595 and 0244 510595 Into Usube to the text about Enche Danny Betinase. We are live on Facebook as well.
Right. KK, if the gods want to kill, they first make you mad. Say Abosonia comfort pesi kunwa, a more di can bodam, near kunwa from. And sensu for the Biano Yaka. Mi bube, the American say. Honorable Johnson said Nketia for contest and say Yagbe na man. But a call from you know who said they do a loose waban. And sent Tokaso Fnoa now to Nyaka. The only in a sentence of a defeated candidate. Well, loose waban by ye camp near resort to him man and yet too popular. And so I found Yabian and I on cop near on toy. Timo for swamp for dear dance on the say, Keki. Among all the 4 contestants for the chairman, Japan manifesto with 15 solid policies. Mokopi ni.
Ayo. And the crab you more Facebook.
Yes. Election na yabamu. You crab 15 solid policies. Now him.
Hey, well prepared.
You born to accord all the 275 constituencies a year Ashanti region neno. And a delegate now say, hey, sa kokobani de deba won't mean na nekrobo for massa. Obviously and crane on to the day. Because see, obe print poko kromoti. Any ebisa so bad dear na obey my or say I'm fearless. Die a better about when she say I'm fearless. Next to the Yakobam candidate. Yeah, Clano. Ne Fred will be Yakobam. Ebe su nature. Akoban and Nani and Akoban. Akoban say a real and said Debbie. Ye tailor made policy. Briefly, just one of the 15 policies. So called policy number 7. National chairman says, oh yeah, delegate constituency ni open America. The rest you have it now.
Yeah.
Obi be pro chairmanship. Only policy, only campaign message. The policy now say I'm fearless. Na keke me be so die a better December 7th. Can one person be everywhere? Obama can say to build a stronger organization, you need strong institution, not strong men. Oh here buga fo. Oh here ni poor modest strategy be go akwan mu. National chairman say men fan to delegate a better Obama men then him say. So we a constituency executive wa. Bribia bamba power betina ye body DC dey na de ntokwa aba sekantwe ne atu adan ya. Ye yi no timamufo no nim no. Look, who read the article 240 of the 1992 Constitution Crimea? Power to appoint a president. But don't forget, say, Kramai Kopatas will be in the Dinisi. President no ko Jubilee House no pet in the war. Chairman shall look the next DC appointment a constituency for there. And it's over to Obama men that now per se that chan kwame biano. Would DC you be free persuia sono unya say womwa to more for swampofo. Because on him, obit me Cotton Harvard or call Yale or call UMass Legon. On your party, Juma. Ye ba power pound and the CV wa. No, I can't CV ting. I for bar to my mufone ye Juma de party in bar power no keke near you must in chain. National chairman sitting ton time going forward no. Say NDC ba power. Now benye DC ya. Say constituency executive and party resolution and those where you never get it. Because they were put a man of no. Unchiso di boom. And the delegate be first and to my we are constituency near your policy number 7 say the next NDC government the selection and appointment of MMDCs will be left on to constituency executive after ye no we no so be DC as in fear 9 drew now wa more home modern and see party